Yo! Ah! Yeah! Like, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm from Uzbekistan.
Okay.
Yep.
But it looked like Chinese or Japanese or Korean. Wow.
How old are you?
Studying American. You can take a guess.
16.
What?
Higher.
Higher.
No.
18.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Are you?
Me?
Are you?
No. I'm a 21.
Wow, you look so young.
Yeah, appreciate it. Do you have an Instagram?
No, I don't have it. I just have WeChat, a Chinese.
Ah, yeah, sure. Could you drop it?
A few moments later.
Nice to meet you.
Unfortunately, she left me. Really quick. I am left with only memories.
Talagang masarap yung tao.